everyone, I'm Dr. Tiffany Libby. I'm a board-certified dermatologist practicing in Rhode Island. I know we think of acne as a condition that mostly affects teens, but the reality is it can affect adults too. I really love this line of products by Glow Skin Beauty and I can't wait to share them with you. This is the BHA Clarifying Gel Moisturizer. This moisturizer is fantastic for someone dealing with breakouts. It's weightless, fast absorbing, it uses lactic and salicylic acids to gently exfoliate skin and unclog pores for a clearer complexion. So this is the Microbiome Restoring PM Moisturizer. I love this PM moisturizer for acne-prone skin because it helps support the skin's nighttime recovery, targeting breakouts and large pores to repair the skin's microbiome while you sleep. After using it, I love how my skin looks and feels in the morning. My skin looks brighter and more radiant and feels smooth and hydrated. This is the Acne Spot Treatment. This Acne Spot Treatment is fantastic for clearing up acne. It has 5% sulfur and willow bark extract, which is a natural source of salicylic acid. So this product with its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory ingredients helps deliver fast-acting results to quickly clear breakouts, all while reducing redness and preventing future flare-ups. This is the Recovery Spot Cream. After treating your acne lesion or breakout, we're often left with a dark spot, which is essentially pigmentation from there having been inflammation from the acne. And that is where this Recovery Spot Cream comes in. It helps to fade and even out dark spots, pigmentation, and redness left by acne or blemishes.